Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're having a good week. We've gotten just a little volatility back into these markets. I am Bagger Don at stockmarketcaddy.com, and you are looking at our website that is dedicated to our members, both monthly members and annual members. Now, all of our members get a nightly market video where we will show them what the algorithms are showing us. In particular is one algorithm called the SMC Nicklaus market strategy. The Nicklaus compresses the underlying data of each of the four indices major, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, and the Dow. It also compresses the data from the VIX, the fear gauge, and the data from the 10-year Treasury. From that, it will generate daily signals, not every day. In fact, when it does generate, we don't know how long it's going to last. When it's in a bearish state, we will shroud the nightly video with red, a red date, and a red border. And so you can see that our members, annual members who have this tool on their desktop, as well as monthly members, got the first sell signal back on September 23rd. And before that, it had been long and long. You may remember, you may go back to your charts. We had a little bit of a feint, a little warning on the 16th, but it continued long. And this long signal came in on September 4th, because you can see here, prior to September 4th, it was in a short mode. SMC Nicklaus timing model. And so you might want to know, well, how much is it up or down? And let me show you. So this is a live view of our trade manager. Here's the Dow, NASDAQ, ES, and the Russell. And here's the Nicklaus timing model strategy. And it went short on the 23rd. And if you had taken just one mini short, this is how much it would be up. Approximately 9 grand. Now it was up 12 or 13 grand much of earlier today. Now what we don't know is that this signal may be here like the last one for 3-4 weeks, 3 or 4 months. In fact, the long signal from September 4th had a collective run-up of $38,000 if you had taken a trade with a mini. And by the way, the VIX needs to be in the opposite direction, which this one is, and it's modestly down. But this is how we derive the signal itself. SMC Nicklaus timing model. Now to put this trade on with one mini contract in each market takes considerable capital. And we have folks that do that. In fact, they put on trades with more than one mini contract on each market. They most assuredly do. Others, though, may choose just to go with one market. Others might choose to use micro contracts. Still, other members may choose to use options. In fact, if you had gone long the S&P or the NASDAQ back on September 4th with a call option for 90 or 100 days, you would have made tens of thousands of dollars. Tens of thousands. So we never know. And other members might not actually place the trade, but they'll use it as a barometer as to what side of the market they might want to be favoring. Or maybe when they want to be out. A number of different approaches. I am Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. We have a little something for everyone. If you want to be a monthly member and avail yourself of our algos to help you shape your trades, whether those trades are with stock, with options or futures, with minis or micros, entirely up to you. If you want to have these tools on your desktop, so that you get the signals just the same time we get them, then you want to speak to us about becoming an annual member. And in order to become an annual member, you must go through what we call Q School just once. Then you don't ever have to do it again. Every year, we only issue a limited number of licenses. And usually that number is complete by around November 1. And then at that point, we'll still be trading, we'll still be making our videos, but we won't be conducting any more Q schools until the first of the year. So if you're interested, they're still available, but the window is closing for 2025. So let us know. We're ready when you are. We wish everyone the best. We hope you're getting it done. If you are, keep doing what you're doing. If you're not, stop, look, listen, think, visit, call, and happy to answer your questions. Have a great rest of the week, and we'll give you periodic updates on how our Nicklaus timing model is performing off of this signal. Good night and good luck, everybody.